A modern complex with numerous technological innovations. That is an accurate description of Iris Hospital's new tech campus in Brussels. Architectural solar shading with sliding panels and sleek cladding adorn the facade. DucoSlide Lux frame sliding panels guarantee maximum privacy while retaining natural daylight for patients and care providers. The solar shading reduces the cooling load by up to 63% during the summer months. The robust frame profile allows heights of up to 6 meters. A building's image can be marred by humming external units of installations on the roof, but technical facilities like these can be merged into the facade. The DucoWall system DucoWall Classic provides aesthetic concealment of technical installations. The result is a stylish and sleek design. In addition to a louvre wall for screening, a ventilated louvre wall with high-performance louvre blades was also provided, thereby ensuring very good airflow and excellent water resistance.